In Orange County and Central Florida, we continue to be hit with these rain bands that have dropped already so much rain. There are so many rescues happening all across Central Florida, Orange County included.
Yes, and we just keep getting reports of all these different areas that are affected across Central Florida. Our Jerry Askin is at one location off Curry Ford Road in Orange County in Orlando, where nearly 100 people had to be rescued from a flooded complex there, Jerry.
That's right, Bridget and Justin, good morning. Really a sad reality for so many families this morning. And among the people rescued here I just spoke with was a mom and her 20-day-old child. Let me step out the scene and show you all what we're seeing right here. Oh, actually, let's go to the right here. You see people here coming out of their apartments here after being rescued at the Dockside Condos apartments. They're carrying all they can, but literally their apartment complex there, that condo, is almost like a river. What they're doing is walking across the street here, many after being rescued, and getting on these Lynx buses to go to a shelter. Again, a very scary scene this morning. I spoke with a woman who told me this morning that literally she woke up this morning to flooding in her home. She lives with her mom, and she's been here for almost about 2 of the rescue. You can see those high waters at the Dockside Condo apartments this morning along Curry Ford Road. A live rescue. When I last saw you all, more than 81 people have been rescued here this morning by firefighters and first responders. I've seen at least 20 other people since then being rescued. We know right now 2 or so Lynx buses are here at the scene to take away more people to those shelters. 6 shelters so far here in Orange County. And again, I spoke with a lady who told me this morning she'd lived there for almost 2 decades and she woke up to water in her home. Take a listen.
I've been living in the condominiums for 22 years and never got to this point like this. I mean, this is my first time. I was really scared when the water started coming like crazy. I mean, in less than an hour, everything was flooded. The water just got to the point like we got to the knees. It's like, oh my God, start calling 911. I mean, who, where? I mean, I need somebody to come and rescue. My mother got hurt because she fell, so she got her knee, you know, so, I mean, she's okay, but still, I mean, it's bad.
Yeah, very bad, in fact. And again, we are back out here live where we're seeing Lynx buses outside of the Dockside Condo apartments preparing to take these, maybe 30 or 40 more residents back to shelters here, 6 shelters across Orange County. The hardest part and the scariest part is we don't know how many more people need to be rescued. But as Lewis Bowden mentioned earlier today, at least the good news is there's light out so rescue workers can get out and perhaps get to these folks faster. Again, emergency officials are urging you to stay home. Driving around this morning, we have seen so many, high water, standing water on the roads. It's not safe to be out here. We're going to continue to be out here as these rescues continue this morning. But again, we are along Curry Ford Road at the Dockside Condo Apartments. We've also seen pets being rescued as well and taken on those Lynx buses to go to shelters. We're going to stay out here and keep following this story. Justin, Bridget, back to you.
All right, Jerry, that is a bit of good news. Glad to see them getting the help that they need. We've seen the